All right. While we're doing some other work on the motorhome, there was a couple of posts on our Jayco Facebook group that described this chattering or whistling noise when you're driving at about 55, 60 miles an hour that's coming from the engine that sounds like a belt. And it looks like, reading lots of people's comments, there was a pulley wheel that Ford omitted installing. There's a spot for it, but they didn't put it in, and there's a long gap in the belt, basically, that's kind of just free air, and it starts vibrating at certain RPMs. That's my best understanding. So a few people posted solutions as putting that pulley back in, and it's literally a $30-40 part with a bolt. Takes a few minutes, so I haven't done it yet, but I have the parts, and I was going to go put that in today. It is pretty windy, so I wanted to talk about it before I go outside, and then I'll record what I did outside and see if it works. I'm not going to be able to test it today, but at least we'll see how easy it's to put it in. All right, so here are the parts. You can see the part number for the pulley. The bolt, my local Ford dealer gave it to me like that. I don't have a package for it, but I do have a part number. And I bought some blue Loctite just to put some of that on. So basically, the pulley that's missing, and it's hard to tell here, but it's in there. So if you pop the hood, I'm going to remove this air filter housing, and with a step ladder, I should be able to get to it. With the housing removed, I'm going to try to show it. There's the belt, there's the spot right there. That's the spot where the pulley goes, and that's the belt that goes quite a ways down there. So pretty easy. I think, yep, I can reach it, so it shouldn't be too bad to put it in. Maybe it's not that easy. Uh-oh. Step stool's walking. Maybe a wrong kind of step stool. There we go. Put some Loctite on this. It's windy today. didn't even hurt myself. There it is, all back in place. It's pretty easy.